Hi guys, Bluetooth allows you to stream wireless audio from your mobile phone and makes your phone calls and voice texts hands-free. That's an important safety feature. According to the Governor's Highway Safety Association, 30 states have laws forbidding drivers to hold a phone while driving. Bluetooth has been standard equipment on virtually every new car sold in America over the last 5 years. But that was a gradual process. It started out as an option on higher-end luxury models during the 2000s. That means millions of vehicles on the road still don't have Bluetooth. So, let's get started. Number 10, Baseus FM Transmitter Bluetooth 5.0. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $15. Transform your car into a mobile entertainment center with the Baseus FM Transmitter Bluetooth 5.0 hands-free car kit. This car kit features a high-quality MP3 player and FM modulator, allowing you to stream your favorite tunes wirelessly. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, you can enjoy fast and stable connectivity for seamless music streaming and hands-free calling. Plus, with the built-in PPS-QC 3.0 QC 4.05 a fast charger, you can quickly charge your devices while on the go. The FM modulator lets you tune into your favorite stations, while the hands-free calling functionality allows you to take calls safely and easily. With its sleek design and easy-to-use features, this car kit is the perfect addition to any car. The next is Number 9, Car Radio DAB Plus Radio Tuner Digital. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 35% price off. Now you can get it at around $37. Experience high-quality digital audio broadcasting in your car with this DAB Plus radio tuner. With this receiver, you can enjoy crystal clear sound and a wider range of stations than traditional FM radio. The device also includes an FM transmitter converter, allowing you to listen to DAB Plus stations through your car's FM radio. Plus, with the plug-and-play adapter, installation is quick and easy, so you can start enjoying your favorite stations in no time. The DAB Plus radio tuner also includes a USB charger, providing a convenient way to charge your devices while on the go. Keep your phone, tablet, or other USB-powered devices charged and ready to use while enjoying high-quality digital audio broadcasting in your car. The next is Number 8, 1.8-inch Color Display Bluetooth. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 36% price off. Now you can get it at around $15. Transform your car into a mobile entertainment hub with this Bluetooth FM transmitter and wireless car FM modulator. This car kit features a 1.8-inch color display that makes it easy to control your music, calls, and more. The FM transmitter allows you to wirelessly stream MP3 audio files from your phone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. With the built-in hands-free functionality and high-quality microphone, you can take calls on the go without having to take your hands off the wheel. The car kit includes a QC 3.0 car charger that provides fast and efficient charging for your devices. Keep your phone, tablet, or other USB-powered devices charged and ready to use while on the road. The next is Number 7, 1.8-inch Color Display Bluetooth FM. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 36% price off. Now you can get it at around $16. Transform your car into a mobile entertainment hub with this Bluetooth FM transmitter and wireless car FM modulator. This car kit features a bright and vibrant 1.8-inch color display that makes it easy to see and control your music, calls, and more. The FM transmitter also allows you to wirelessly stream MP3 audio files from your phone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Plus, with the built-in hands-free functionality and high-quality microphone, you can take calls on the go without having to take your hands off the wheel. In addition, the car kit includes a powerful QC 3.0 car charger that provides fast and efficient charging for your devices. With this car accessory, you can keep your phone, tablet, or other USB-powered devices charged and ready to use while on the road. The next is Number 6, Car Bluetooth Music Adapter FM. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $3. Upgrade your car's audio system with this convenient Bluetooth music adapter and FM transmitter receiver. With this car kit, you can easily play MP3 audio files from your phone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. The device also features a built-in microphone and hands-free functionality, allowing you to take calls while driving safely. The car kit also includes a powerful 3.1A USB fast charger, ensuring that your devices stay charged on long road trips. With this car accessory, you can keep your phone, tablet, or other USB-powered devices charged and ready to go. Overall, this car Bluetooth music adapter and FM transmitter receiver is an excellent addition to any car audio system. With its easy-to-use features and convenient USB charging capabilities, you'll never have to worry about running out of battery or missing a call while on the road. The next is Number 5. Hands-free wireless Bluetooth car. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $9. Dual USB and one Type-C port for fast charging, allowing you to charge 3 devices at the same time and provide better charging performance. Equipped with a USB-C powered port and 20W output power, you can charge the latest iPhones, iPads, phones, tablets at full speed. 2. The Bluetooth version 5.0 chip creates an ultra-secure connection between your phone and the Bluetooth adapter car FM transmitter. Faster pairing and more stable sound than Bluetooth version 4.2 make it avoid some shaky connections. Widely compatible with any Bluetooth-enabled device and 12-24V car. 3. With anti-interference performance and CVC technology, you can enjoy wonderful deep bass music by pressing the B button. Plus, the lights dance to such strong and powerful music. Gradient lights will really give you the party vibe. The next is Number 4. CABLETIME Bluetooth Receiver 5.1. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 49% price off. Now you can get it at around $10. The CABLETIME Bluetooth Receiver 5.1 is a wireless adapter that enables hands-free audio streaming from compatible devices to car amplifiers, speakers, and headphones. With a 3.5mm AUX audio input, this compact device is versatile and easy to use. The CABLETIME C416 Bluetooth receiver is designed with the latest Bluetooth technology, version 5.1, which provides a stable and reliable connection to your audio devices. The receiver supports a range of Bluetooth profiles, including A2DP, AVRCP, HFP, and HSP, ensuring compatibility with a variety of devices. The CABLETIME C416 Bluetooth receiver has a compact design and is easy to use. Simply plug the device into the 3.5mm audio jack of your car amplifier, speaker, or headphones and connect it to your Bluetooth-enabled device. Once connected, you can enjoy hands-free audio streaming without the hassle of wires and cables. The next is Number 3. Varlo 3D Bluetooth 5.0 Audio Receiver. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 64% price off. Now you can get it at around $8. Unique 3D surround sound function. With the 3D audio button, you can switch to 3D mode to enjoy the surround sound with high fidelity from a normal audio source. Its advanced internal chip takes charge of the conversion to make it possible, using convenient lossless codes. 2. Auto on when you connect to the power, so it's very good for to use in car or other you want it have auto on functions. 3. Dual device link. Simultaneously pair your smartphone and tablet and stream music from either one with any stereo system that supports a standard 3.5mm or RCA jack. Connect 2 Bluetooth devices at once to listen to music, make phone calls, and more. 4. Connect 2 devices. Support to connect with 3.5mm audio port and 2 RCA audio port at the same time. 5. Wireless music streaming. Stereo stream music to non-Bluetooth headphones and speakers. 6. Space-saving design, ultra-compact and lightweight. 4. Convenient use with a variety of devices. The next is Number 2. Deelife Handsfree Bluetooth Car. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 38% price off. Now you can get it at around $26. Are you tired of fumbling with your phone while driving? Do you want to stay connected on the road without compromising safety? Look no further than the Deelife Handsfree Bluetooth Car Kit. This innovative device allows you to easily make and receive phone calls hands-free while driving, using advanced Bluetooth technology. The kit can be easily attached to your car's sun visor, ensuring that you have clear and uninterrupted communication while on the go. The Deelife Handsfree Bluetooth Car Kit is equipped with noise reduction technology, which filters out unwanted background noise and delivers crystal clear sound quality. It also has a built-in microphone that picks up your voice clearly, even in noisy environments. The next is Number 1, 2023 Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter. This Bluetooth receiver for car is here with the 56% price off. Now you can get it at around $16, introducing the latest technology in car accessories, the Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter for car. This innovative gadget boasts stronger dual microphones and deep bass sound for a high-quality audio experience on the road. With its 48W PDAN QC 3.0 car charger Bluetooth adapter, you can charge your devices on the go while enjoying seamless connectivity to your phone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Experience the convenience and safety of hands-free calling with the improved dual microphones, which provide clearer and more reliable communication while driving. Plus, the deep bass sound delivers an immersive audio experience that will elevate your road trip playlist. So this is the best option for you to buy.